I wanna say, like in the one battery, with this drone, you can have really fun. And I am not disappointed. I crashed the drone 2 or 3 times, right, during the video, but that was in purpose. That was just a test. And there is a moose. Nella, come. There is a big moose behind the trees there. So you try don't get killed.
Rear, follow, 3, 2, 1.
And it's up on there. All right, Nella. So we'll see if the Neo can follow us through that dense branches in the trees. I don't think so. Any drone will do that. It's still behind me. But we'll see. We have like a 19 minutes, and we'll have a different kind of terrain. We have the swamps, we have the small streams and the mud, and then drones just follow me, right? But this, I don't think so, Nella. If any drone will do it, I don't think so. But we'll see. You see this? I'll just go through this. I don't believe that. He will get lost or crash. Bam! He get confused a little bit. Hey, come on. But this is like insane. This is like, how he gonna do it? Bam! Crash! Nella! Come! Okay, first crash of DJI Neo, but that was insane because that gaps they have like a... Oh my god, even I can go. Shit, I'm stuck. There is a drone. But of course nothing will happen. Because that drone, like they say, this drone is fucking immortal, like. Oh, someone already hit a drone here. I mean, oh.
Quiet, well lit, textured environments.
Yo. Anyway, let's continue.
Rear, follow, 3, 2, 1.
And they go. Nella, chodź. Go. And my side camera today, we'll see. And he'll do it this. There's so many small, tiny branches like that. Still behind me. How this is even possible? And my second, like, handheld camera is a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And we film in the 30 FPS. Same I put on DJI Neo, it's just 30 FPS. Because it's a little bit darker now. What should we go through here? Whoa! We'll never do this. Now bump crash. No crash. So with the both cameras, we film with the 30 FPS, all the settings automatic. White balance, colors, everything. Oh, he'll never do this. That will be the second crash now. No way. No crash. But he'll crash here, that's for sure. Because it's really like a low, like, oh my god. I don't believe that. How this is even possible? This little drone, like really little, it's like 160 grams, right? Can do all of the things, fly behind me with really constant speed, avoid all the small obstacles like trees, branches, and then, okay, not the leaves maybe, but how? Even this with this really low light. Maybe you're not gonna see this on the video now because it's kind. Oof. That was tough, but he made it somehow. I stuck in the branches, but we do like this. Don't land. No, please. Okay.
Collision detected. Aircraft landing automatically. Rear, follow, 3,
second crash, right? Go, and we go. And we go and we continue. Because you know, the reason why I bought this drone was just like, okay, it's super cool. Everyone's saying like, wow, you should have the drone because it's insane. 4K, 60 FPS like that. I don't care about that. Because I already have drones like that. I fly Avatar 2, original Avatar, a lot of this shit. And I just want to have a really simple, really like, really, how? I just want to have a really simple and like unstoppable drone, like, so I can just press the record, start the button, and just enjoy the world around. No, we don't want to go through here. I just want to have like my, you know, guys. Sorry, I breathe like that. It's really hot. We have like 15 degrees now. So this is So this is really hot in Sweden. You'll never do this here. Bam, bam, and this one. Yes, I make it difficult for you. No way. Still didn't crash. Nella. Of course you will crush it. This is like, this is insane. Right, this video maybe it can be boring for some of the people because I'm just gonna walk through the forest. I just wanna, how we do this, how we jump, what the drone will do. Still follow me. I mean, this is just a test. I wanna see exactly what you can get when you just buy the simple set, just a drone, without anything, just with the one single battery. You just charge it. Of course, I bought the DJI car refresh. Insurance is a really important thing for all of the drones. I just wanna, don't even fly it. I just wanna have a nice video with my minimum of my interest, like this. Okay, we're getting closer and closer to the lake. We walked just 10 minutes, plus 2 crashes. So I hope we have at least 50% of the battery, because here behind the trees, no, come. Soon you're gonna see the first lake, and my dream will be like get to the second lake, but maybe instead of the second lake, we should go to the waterfall. But anyway, tomorrow, if that drone won't fail, if that drone won't disappointed me today during that test, tomorrow, just morning, I go to the DJI store and buy as much battery as I can, because like for now, it looks amazing. It's still behind me. There was so many issues like with DJI Neo 1, the first generation, that of course video quality wasn't that good. And yeah, let's go there. Video quality wasn't that good, and also the drone fly really like a fake, synthetic. You feel all that shakes, moves around, even with the stabilization. And also Neo 1, what was that? Jet fighters. Yeah. Nella? Yes, we are in Sweden, so that was Gripens. Swedish power of military fly above us. Oh, you can see some birdie there. I mean, DJI Neo 2 have still this 4K, not even 30 FPS. They have 60 FPS. He got even 100 FPS. I want to just test it and do this some slow-mo shot, but you can't climb on the tree. What the fuck? It's too big. Nella, come. I mean, now it's just raw, standard, full automatic test without any like tweaky adjustments, cinematic bullshit modes. This guy behind me now just fly in the full autonomous and automatic mode, and I didn't change any even fucking single setting. Okay, little bit more challenge. Nella, come up, hop. Hop. Can you jump here? Whoa, climb, climb, climb. And the drone is where? I don't believe that, he's still behind me. It was a, before, it was a boat there. Nella. Oh, there is a boat. Sink boat. This will be difficult for this drone. He will never make it. I just disappeared behind the rock. And it's so windy. So see, the drone is tilted so much. But there is a boat. But this is boring. There is a small island. Yes, we go there. We see how much battery we have. There's a branch above you. Don't hit this branch. Alright. We'll see. Nella, we will complicate this much more. We go through here. Yes, because this is that video. It's just a test. I don't want to say I just want to crash that drone. Of course I want to crash it. Nella, I just want to make as much possible difficult way to fly, to follow us. Wow, almost fell down. For the drone to see. Whoa, my dog is like 4-wheel drive. Now crash. He didn't crash. This is really insane. Nella, wait. Nella, no. The drone just flies sideways now. Let him be. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. He fly behind me. He should know. I mean, you'll fucking crash it now. Or you will hit me. Anyway, something happened with that drone now. There is a tree. There is a tree. Shit, he listened. Alright, we will take the really high risk. The video have 15 minutes. We'll see what happened now. He will still follow me. Here, this is impossible. There is no drone around the world which one could made it. I don't believe that. Come and crash. Sounds really bad. Somehow he found a way. He still follow me. Like, he really follow me. Now you'll crash, that's for sure. He just stuck. No, he didn't stuck. I wanna say, like in the one battery with this drone, you can have really fun. And I am not disappointed. I crashed the drone 2 or 3 times, right, during the video. But that was on purpose, that was just a test. See you guys in the next video.